How to turn off auto brightness on your Windows. If your Windows keeps on changing screen brightness automatically, it can be distracting and make the screen too dim. So let's just turn off that so we can have full control. We may head over to our settings. For that, press Windows plus I on your keyboard, and that should make you access to your settings. And within your settings, head over to System. And once we are headed over here, what we need to do is find the display settings and open it up. Now, once we are here in display, what we need to do is scroll down and go to the section or find the section for brightness and color. Usually this is the one. You can click on it and here look out for brightness and ensure this option right here, night light. If this option is turned on, you need to turn it off. You can toggle it off. And if there's an option called changing the brightness automatically when the lighting changes, you can just go over and change it up. We have changed the brightness based on content. You can select this option right here and you can turn it off, select this option of off and make it, and that will change your brightness automatically. That will turn it off and you can have a control over it. Or you may open up your control panel. You can press Windows plus S and type in control and hit enter and open up your control and panel. We may head over to hardware and sound, and within hardware and sound, look out for power options and select this option of change plan settings, this one right here. And once we do so, we need to click on change advanced power settings, and within here look out for display. So find display option here and expand it up, and within display, if you have adaptive brightness option available here, you can just go over and turn it off. Set off for on battery and even plugged in, and that is it. You can apply and click on OK once it is done. And that's it. Now Windows will no longer adjust the brightness automatically, giving us full control. So we hope this video was helpful. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.